my royal subjects, your majesty is here and slaying the game today. We are reviewing the new Alamar Cosmetics Reina Del Caribe Vol.1 palette. And I am so excited. We are so excited for this palette. So if you want to see what this palette is about, just keep on watching. So I am Hayden Robinson, Hayden Robinson Beauty. I am a beauty YouTuber and I really just started with makeup, and I'm so excited for my very first Wheesearch video. Wheesearch, being the channel you are watching right now, is an amazing online community about finding the best products for you. You can trust us and our reviews because we're not paid to do these reviews. And we are talking today about the Alamar Cosmetics Vol.1 Reina Del Caribe palette. You're gonna wanna watch this because this palette and this brand, and I'm going to go into the shade Coco-taxi, and I'm just gonna right in there. I want to create a winged out appearance with this look because I'm not actually going to be drawing on winged eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and use Coco-taxi in the crease, on the lid, like really just the crease and then the shaping. I'm going to go in with Tropico, which is, I'm just gonna go in a little bit lower. This is a more orangey shade. This shade is actually so beautiful. The mattes in this palette are really good. These three mattes are so pretty. And then the shimmers are just absolutely amazing. They're really good used wet, but I will say with the mattes there is some fallout. So like when you tap in, stuff does come out. And so you just have to blow it off. And then if there's fallout on my face, since I'm not wearing a base makeup, I can just take it off easy. But if you are wearing face makeup, you can just take a very large fluffy brush and just brush it right off. So I'm just gonna continue shaping and defining with this orangey Tropico color. Again, same exact brush. I've used the same M433 for both the yellow and the orangey color, and now I'm going in with this deeper red Guantanamera, and I'm just packing that again on the brush. There is fallout, but not too bad. Now I'm gonna go in with Cafecito, which is this beautiful warm brown color, which I'm really just loving. So if you can't tell, it's looking pretty amazing. I love these shadows. The mattes in here are just grade A. So I'm very happy with the mattes. The shape is definitely what I was going for, more than when I had originally done the look. So I'm gonna go in with Guantanamera on this flat top fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and keep that pretty close to the dark brown that we just did with Cafecito and the eyeliner. That's just a little bit is really all I wanted to do with that color. I'm gonna continue with my color switch by Veramona at Sephora. This is the mini size. I think this is such a great tool for doing quick changes on what's on your brush, super easy. And I'm gonna grab Tropico on this brush and just, I'm gonna tap off some excess, which they are a little bit powdery, so there is definitely excess on the brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and just continue on with winging and blending it out. I'm gonna take the color switch again so that I can go into Coco-taxi and really just continue with the transition color and everything all the way like I did on top. So, and Coco-taxi is the shadow itself is pressed a little bit harder, so it's a little bit less pigmented than the other mattes, but it's really great so you can use it as a transition shade and not be worried about like, oh my gosh, whoa, being shocked. So basically, this is all the mattes and all of the shaping and all that we're gonna do with the matte shades from this palette, which, final thoughts on the mattes, they are amazing, they are blendable, smooth to apply. Almost all of them are really pigmented versus Coco-taxi, which is mostly, it's pigmented enough for what you wanna use it for. I'm gonna go ahead and just work on wetting my Luxie 239 brushes and dipping right into Celia. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and put this on the inner third of the lid. I am absolutely stunned with these colors, and it's such a summer palette, so warm, so beautiful. And to continue on with the look, I'm gonna take this Varadero darker blue shade. So this is something I did last time that I'm gonna reverse because I think it will make the look better. I'm gonna take a pencil brush. This is my favorite pencil brush. I'm gonna wet the pencil brush. But this time I wanna do inner corner with La Costa because I think it's gonna be a prettier, softer inner corner. So I wet the brush, I'm going in with La Costa. Wow, that really coats the brush, especially when it's wet. Wow, really good job. I'm gonna wet it again because we're extra, and obviously wet is good, wet is good. And I'm gonna just highlight this inner corner to filth. Blinding. So here is the final look. This is obviously what we started with without the palette, just brows and nothing on, just a little eyeliner, and then we took it to this beautiful, elongated, winged out look that is absolutely stunning. These shadows really do speak for themselves, and I just cannot get over how amazing they are. So I brought you out a little bit, and I feel like now would be a good time, now that we've done the look, to just swatch all the colors for you. So I'm thinking I want to do in the order I did my makeup. So I'm going to start with Coco-taxi, which is a matte shade. Really pigmented at the top. It looks like it loses a little bit of pigment in the swatch. So I don't even think the camera can see the swatch. So now I'm gonna go in with Tropico. Okay, wow, that one is so different. So much more pigmented, and like I already knew that just from doing the eye look, but so much more pigmented than the yellow Coco-taxi shade. So now let's go in with Guaranamera. That one also swatches pretty well. Again, it does lose pigmentation as you go down, but that's to be expected. And now I'm gonna go in with Cafecito, which is the dark brown shade, and I'm just gonna put that right next door. Again, wow, swatch game, terrible, but I think that shade is just absolutely beautiful. It's a great warm brown shade, and I really just love it. For the shimmer shades, beginning with La Costa, which you can just see that shimmer. Like you see it, it's so pretty. El Malezon, let's see, put that right there. That one definitely, like as I see it in the light, it does definitely transfer more green. It has a lot of shimmer in it, but it just definitely transfers pretty green. This is Celia. Wow, that one just, it doesn't, I don't know why that swatch was kind of underwhelming, probably because I'm super bad at swatching. But that, I mean, we know that one's really good, but that swatch is just kind of sad. And then this is the last one with my pinky swatch, so it's really tiny. Varadero, again, those swatches are kind of underwhelming. I also don't think that a swatch necessarily is the tell of a product, but I definitely think that it, you know, is a good little indicator on how things might work. But again, we built the look there, so, you know, it's good, it's good. Definitely make sure you subscribe to Wheesearch down below and turn on the notification bell, because with YouTube, that just seems to be the only way to get real notifications for your subscriptions. And there's gonna be so many more videos, not just like this and not just with me, because hopefully there'll be more with me, but more products to try, more reviews. We're really great about doing that. We are really great about doing that. And you can definitely go check out all the other reviews. I know that one went up like this past week about the Kat Von D 10-year anniversary palette, which I was actually so curious about, and I was really interested in that. So I definitely watched it and was amazed by the amazing information that I learned from another YouTuber. And there's so much to learn, and I honestly feel like you're never not learning. So having the opportunity to work with Wheesearch is such a great opportunity for me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.